Guess what, y'all?
Hey.
We're going on a road trip to Shaver Lake. It's like past Fresno.
Sequoia Park.
This is Grant.
Hello.
This is
not
Evan.
Sequoia,
And Katherine is driving. It's gonna be a 3.5-hour drive, and
we're vlogging
gonna...
the whole time.
Woo!
This is the cool car, though. We
Yeah,
all
let's
know
be honest.
that.
Like, pit stop. Whole gang's here. Hello.
No.
Hey, shut up. Hi.
We're literally the worst.
We are in the mountains now. The forest and Sierras. Okay, it is hella dark, but we are here. I'll show you guys again, like in the daytime, but.
Guys, okay, I'm entering.
Hey guys, house tour. This is so cute. Oh my god. Ooh, what's out here? Ooh, this is a smoking patio. Whoa, this is sick as fuck. It's so cold here, and I have like no slippers. I guess there's like different compartments. Oh, this is so cool. I love it. Hey, I have those. Oh, this is super nice. It literally smells like fire, like bonfire around here. It's so cute. I love this. Love it. Oh,
There are bodies in those bags.
this room
That's
is
all
not
I'm
for
saying.
guest use.
Do not go in there. That's. Who the fuck is
Okay, so of all movies, we chose some weird movies.
We're doing it.
And I'm
We're
very
making fun of it.
confused.
We're making fun of it. Oh my god.
Oh my god, okay, you cannot see the stars right now, but they're so pretty. We're like under the trees, and we just saw like 2 shooting stars.
No, it's still a little raw.
No, I definitely need.
That looks so good. Thank you, Kira. We grilled that shit.
Wait.
We're watching Charlie's Angels. It's very interesting. Good morning, guys. I just woke up to this beautiful view. It's freaking awesome. This is honestly like my first time camping, so I'm like super in awe right now. My friends are making some breakfast, so I'm just like out here exploring the woods. This is like our cabin from the front. It's so cute. It is currently 10 a.m. and we are all making breakfast. Shout out to my roommates for cooking for me with these Asian ass plates. Ow.
Way bigger.
Grant accidentally touched the fire yesterday. Grant, does it still hurt?
You'll have memory forever.
Yeah.
Oh, wifey. Kira's crying. Why are you crying?
Onions.
Hey y'all, so we're driving to the actual Shaver Lake to see like what's there and stuff.
Then we're going to the hot springs, I think.
We've made it to Shaver Lake, y'all. Evan wants to go fishing.
Hell yeah. Get me some trout.
Trout, not clout. Trout, not clout. So there's like some people fishing over there, but they said that nobody's caught anything all day. So we're like stopping by this weird museum. Ooh, look, dead things. Look what I just found on the floor. I'm keeping this. And we're just kind of exploring the lake right now. I'm like trying to go down the hill. But... Ah!
Are you okay? I don't know how to help you, hon.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Right, so we're on our way to this other trail and we just stopped by the dam. And I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's like definitely fires in the distance.
Damn, son. Definitely where to fish.
Follow me.
No.
Wait, can I see how it looks to
You're
go
not
down? Following the other car. It's very bumpy.
Roller coaster shit.
Alright, we're about to hike Rancheria Falls.
Yeah. 9 o'clock. And then I've been scanning the.
Oh my god, you guys, the waterfall is freaking frozen. It looks like snow. Check it out.
That is
I've
awesome.
never seen a frozen waterfall.
This is my first time seeing a frozen waterfall.
It literally goes under the ice. That is so sick. They're eating ice! Woo! How it taste? So we just finished our hike. It was so cool. It's like a
Frozen waterfall.
very easy, brief hike, but like the view. This looks like fairyland.
Yeah, it takes
Brad's car has yeeted into the distance. I am so nervous for them. Like,
So far
they
ahead.
seriously are going to die. We're like trying to call them to tell them to slow down.
I called Rachel and texted her and she didn't pick up.
It's like really nerve-wracking.
Oh.
There's another car.
Whoa,
Yeah, we still gotta back up though.
Yo, we just came across some nomad asses.
Maybe they eat. I don't know. Never mind. That's too.
Go?
Wait, say it.
Maybe they eat people who come out here. You know, like.
Dude,
some
honestly,
bullshit.
honestly.
Where's the grocery?
Upload this shit before they eat us.
We're making fun of those guys for being cannibals.
So casual. Hashtag just
We'll
cannibal
go to the
thing.
Okay, we are crossing this freaking Pebble Bridge. You guys, I'm so bad at this. Like, I'm so scared right now. Alright, these are the hot springs. How's the hot tub?
It's good. It's hot.
Does it smell?
Hey, Kira.
Like poopy.
Yeah, it is really warm.
Dude, am I gonna get parasites?
Probably.
The thing is, will we be able to smell each other because we all smell like this?
I'll let you know. I'm the loser in clothes, like not in the tub, because I don't want to be cold and like change and have to deal with that air. I'm chilling. I got the view. Alright, we are driving back
There used to be.
Oh, we made it to an open restaurant, a saloon.
Baby, come on. Let's go back inside. Let's go inside, sweet girl.
Who is this baby?
Hi. I don't know, but she's my friend now. Let's go.
Okay, so we just got out of the saloon. I think we're just gonna go home.
We almost just died.
There was some weird ass old head
my
staring
God.
us down the entire
Oh
time.
my god, you should have been there.
Oh my god, it would have been my favorite murderer.
Okay, so we stopped by this other place to eat.
Why are you vlogging? Listen, when we are investigated for the Supreme Court in 30 years, they're gonna find this video and know that we were way too stupid to ever hold the position of leadership.
Okay, we got a strawberry chocolate
Oh, I
shake.
forgot you're vlogging. Of course, there's no pictures in Absolute's life ever. It's only videos. Comment, like, and comment again. Don't subscribe. There's no need.
It's like Dr. Pepper.
Dude, Rachel cannot eat bread and she's gonna eat the bread.
I'm not gonna die. I've eaten bread before.
Ash,
my stomach hurts. It's definitely possible. But
Oceans
Yeah.
is scary.
Anyways, I was just making some pasta, doing some reading. All my friends are drunk.
Well, first thing we drank, and then we drank. And then we
Oh my god.
We drink some more.
yeah.
Yo, Capri
no.
Sun
Here,
strawberry
here, we're gonna
kiwi
play
is
fun
the
game.
danks next to Pacific.
No sad
Blue.
drunk.
Another day, another family breakfast.
Family breakfast.
Everybody looks dead.
I'm dead.
I'm dead.
I don't
Everyone's
do.
very hungover.
I'm not hungover.
Nobody's hungover.
I'm not hungover.
We're all
Nobody's
perfectly
hungover.
fine.
Grant's
All fine.
hungover.
I'm a little hungover.
Catherine. Are you a lumbersexual?
Wait.
Good morning. It is Sunday, and we are headed to a sequoia grove, which is so cool because I don't think I've ever seen redwoods before. Okay, so we're like driving to Evan's old Boy Scout camp.
Brett also went here.
That's the shooting range. I'd hike out here all the time. Just. I think like my basket.
Okay, so we're at this Boy Scout camp, and everyone's gonna play this weird game called Gaga Ball.
Here, come play Gaga.
And I'm just gonna observe because I don't know what they're talking about.
How does this game work? Wait, I forgot how to play.
What roles did you play with them?
Dude, let's go freaking cop a canoe. That's what I want to do. I've come across these canoes and I feel like we can just take them. So we found a freaking canoe with oars and I feel like we should totally do this.
Totally jack a canoe.
Dude, I'm down.
I'm low-key really down.
I'm down. Let's do it right now. Oh yeah.
This is extremely easy.
Alright, so I guess we're just gonna put it in here since we don't want to take any risks.
It's weird
that
that
it's
the
windy.
canoe was out.
Yeah.
You know.
See, somebody was using it. First time in the canoe. I probably should not have my phone on me, but if I fall, I'm gonna throw my phone and somebody better catch it.
Ashley has no idea what the fuck she's doing. Hey, you gotta alternate your rowing. There we go.
Okay, this bug. Thank you. Hey, Grant.
So me and Rachel just had a photo shoot
We
with her
did.
expensive camera.
Oh, yeah, don't hold it like that.
Grant's feeling a little nauseous. Yo, we just got to this redwood grove.
We're smoking big trees out here.
Yeah, fat trees, man. Your ancestors did.
Yeah, you're a test tube baby.
What did they do?
Fuck.
He's a test tube baby.
That's so
You're
cool.
right. I
We're all having lunch. on a freaking vlog. I love eating cold spaghetti in the woods. Woo! What's in the stomp?
I am a Lorax. I speak for the trees.
We're looking at some scripts, ancient scripts. Okay, Brett's gonna carve something.
Whoa.
And at the edge,
Oh yeah, what a freaking crusty gift shop. Literally what? I live in Alhambra. Like, what is? I'm so confused. To see I really want to. You be my American boy. And some donuts.
Chunky bread.
Chunky bread. This place is lit. They got burritos.
oh wait, that's what I'm gonna buy.
Oh yeah.
That right there.
Oh, it's a video. We're vlogging. Gas station burritos.
Gas station vlogging. Catherine got some chunky bread.
Joke.
I actually don't know what that is. So
Cinnamon pull part.
Chunk bread.
chunked.
Get chunked.
Honestly,
How's it?
good.
Go for it.
I like it.
It's pretty good.
Uh-huh.
There are divots in the ground. We fell off a cliff.
This time we might actually.
Honestly. Okay, so we have like only a couple minutes left of daylight, and
We're on some real headass shit.
yeah, we're trying to find this mushroom rock. I don't
It
know.
just be like that
There's, like,
sometimes.
really-
Google Maps is literally the worst.
Sometimes you just can't find
and
the
it's really
mushroom rock.
cold. It's really cold.
I don't even know.
Yeah, I
We're having our last family dinner. We're watching Cheaper by the Dozen. We've got a fire outside our Airbnb.
I would like chocolate. May I have chocolate?
chocolate and graham cracker, miss?
Started with the monkeys.
Good morning. It is our last day at the house. I'm so sad. We're just cooking up more potatoes. Oh yeah, I'm the egg master over here. Here's the potato master. Yep. He went under the sheets. Oh, Brett left the trash in this weird garage thing that leads to outside, and it literally got torn apart by God knows what.
Less.
More sauce?
Less than.
Damn, this place looks good. Like, we hella cleaned it. Woo! We're going home! We're going home! We're going home! Woo! What are the rules of the car, Brett?
Spitters are quitters, and alright, let's go.
Alright! Bye, Lake House!
Everyone desynchronize your watches off of lake time.
Road trip essentials. Stop those moves, yeah! Yeah, Rachel! Woo! Ow! Ow! Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Don't
We
forget to
home
like,
now.
comment,
It
and
was, like, such a
subscribe.
fun-
It's gotta be like the 5th time I've said
Shut
that.
up!
in this video, but,
Okay.
yeah.
Bye, guys. See you in my next video.
Hopefully we don't get demonetized.